Hello and thanks for stopping by the channel, Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. And hopefully you stop by today to learn something guitar lick on an acoustic guitar. And don't worry, an electric guitar will work also. And that's coming up. Thanks for stopping by, and just real quick before we get started, if you want to learn some guitar, I've got some basic guitar courses and intermediate courses over at Sharon's Guitar Academy. Check the link in the description for that. So let's get started now. Let me show you what we're going to do, and then I'll tell you what we're doing. If you want to learn the complete song, check this link here and I'll go through the whole song. But for right now, if you want to learn the lick, let's dig into it. It starts here on the 10th fret of the B string, the second string. You pick it, and then you're going to bend the 12th fret and then come back down and hit the 10, 11, 12, slide into the 14, and then the second time you pick the 10, bend the 12th fret, (11, 12, 13. Here it is all together. Also, if you'd like to get the complete tab, check the link in the description for that. And I'll see you next time.